So we've got a whole outside the box experience. I want you to enjoy it and maybe step outside your comfort zone this weekend. Say hello to one of the faces that you haven't seen before, because I am just absolutely so thrilled to have all these new folks here. So welcome, enjoy the property, have a great time.
Today was a good day. I saw you here, I saw you here, I saw the way you looked into me, but oh, I don't know your name. I saw you here, my world before you is nothing I know, till I saw you here, I saw you here.